Hello! It would be great if you could join us by clicking the like button, subscribe, and the bell next to it. Let's start! Conversation 1. Wow! You look very beautiful today. Really? Thanks. Yes, you do. Is that a new dress? It looks good on you. Actually, no. I haven't seen it before. Yeah, I'm wearing it just now. Then, that means it's new. I got this from my aunt a month ago as a present. She's a very nice lady. The style and color suit you. Thank you. Conversation 2. Nice dress. Really? Do you really mean that, or you're just being nice? No, I mean you really look good. Well, thanks for the compliment. I'll take it then. There's something different about you. Wait, did you just have a haircut? It looks good. Is that a compliment or the opposite? It's a compliment. I mean it. The hairstyle suits you. I like it. Thanks. Let's read the following useful phrases. Mari kita baca frase-frase yang berguna berikut ini. You look very beautiful today. Is that a new dress? It looks good on you. The style and color suit you. Do you really mean that? Or you're just being nice? Thanks for the compliment. I'll take it then. I'll take that as a compliment. Did you have a haircut? It looks good. The hairstyle suits you. I like it. Is that a compliment or the opposite? It's a compliment. I really mean it. Perhatikan ketika kita mengucapkan kalimat it looks good on you dan good on you. Kedua kalimat ini memiliki arti yang berbeda. It looks good on you adalah sebuah pujian, yang artinya itu terlihat bagus untukmu. Good on you adalah sebuah ungkapan pujian atau selamat atas suatu hal yang telah dikerjakan dengan baik. Alright, that's the lesson for today. Thank you for watching and we'll see you back next time.